Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you a quick fix on the Valorant stock on loading screen issue. If you've been encountering this problem, don't worry, I've got a quick fix for you. Step 1. Start by opening the Start menu on your PC. In the search bar, type Valorant and locate the Valorant application. Step 2. Right-click on the Valorant shortcut and select Open File Location. This will open the folder where Valorant is installed. Step 3. Now, right-click on the Valorant shortcut in that folder and select Open Valorant Location. This will bring you directly to the Valorant installation directory. Step 4. Head to the address bar at the top of the window and click on where it says Riot Games. You'll be redirected to the Riot Games folder. Step 5. Once inside, open the Valorant folder. Then go to Live, Shooter Game, Binaries, and then Win64. Step 6. Scroll down and look for Valorant Win64 shipping. This is the main executable file for Valorant. Step 7. Right-click on Valorant Win64 shipping and select Properties. Step 8. In your Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Under this tab, you'll see an option to disable full screen optimization. Step 9. Check the box next to Disable Full Screen Optimization. This step helps fix issues that can occur when the game struggles to load in full screen mode. Step 10. Once you've checked that box, click Apply and then OK. Now, you've applied the changes. That's it. Try launching Valorant again and you should be able to get past the stock loading screen. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!